Hi everyone, my name's Kit. Today I'm making a video on how to buy the perfect gift for a friend who you're not sure what to buy for. Now, I'm making this video because a friend of mine actually asked me this question and I said, oh, why don't I make a video for you? So shout out to him. Hope you're enjoying this video and hope everyone else is enjoying it too. Now, the key thing about actually buying a perfect gift is actually attentiveness. So if you're listening to a person, seeing what they like over the year, then that actually is the perfect gift. But that actually is very hard to be able to be watching their Instagram and seeing what they like, or what do they talk about, going shopping with them. That's a lot of time and effort, and often it's hard to even just keep all that information in your head. So here are some tips, and hopefully this will help you buy the perfect gift. So I've got 5 kind of tips in terms of 5 categories, I guess, of things that you can think of when you're buying a present for someone. So the first category is better version. Let me give you an example. So for example, hand soap. Who would buy hand soap for someone for a present? Well, I would, because there is this amazing hand soap called Aesop Resurrection. And so it's just too expensive. You wouldn't buy it for yourself. It is a better version of something that they're already using. It's a luxury item, and it's something that they will use and they will probably very love, because it makes their hands feel nice and soft but clean. So the second category is more of something they already love and like. Don't go changing, don't go reinventing the wheel. Just figure out what they really like and then just buy another one of those. So for example, I know my mum loves handbags. Don't need to change the things. Just get her a handbag. Easy. Third category. This is a safe category. It is consumables. So things that people will use and will run out of and will need more of. So let me give you some examples. So tea would be an example. Chocolate would be an example. Bath products, candles. These are things that people will use and use up and they'll need more of. Safe category. Also good if you have a friend who's a bit of a minimalist, because it's not going to bring in technically more clutter into their life. It's going to be used up. So this is a safe category for those people as well. Category number 4, anything that is handmade and DIY, because there's a sense of love and care that you have made for someone. So DIY and handmade stuff are always pretty cool. I have a video linked of a DIY present that I made earlier this year. It's a frame. You can put different words in it. I put a Bible verse with some pressed flowers that I pressed, and I handmade that. So that would be an example. Other things I've seen that would be pretty cool is people making board games, like a Guess Who game. But instead of a Guess Who game with all these photos of people you don't know, make a Guess Who game with all the photos of your friends and family. I think that would be something really fun and unique for your friend. And the 5th one, again, this is another safe one, is experiences. So things that you can do together instead of buying an actual physical thing, is quality time spent together. So whether it's a cooking class together, going to watch a sports game, watching a concert, just something you can do together, it'll be really fun. I actually have a 6th idea. Now that I'm on a roll, I forgot about this one. It's tech. Something that's a cool gadget that your friend doesn't have. And this is actually a really hard one to figure out, because they might already have lots of cool gadgets. But this might be something particularly helpful for males. Now here is a cool gadget that I wanted to show you. You're thinking, what is this, Kit? It's actually a stapler. So basically, you don't need staples. It has this cool mechanism when you press it down, it cuts the paper and it folds it. So that becomes the thing that binds the paper. This is a cool gadget. I can link it down below, that you might want to buy for a friend. Why not? Everyone needs to staple paper, right? Now I thought it'd be good to just put in a bonus tip. Wrapping the present sometimes really matter. Sometimes people don't care about the present, but how it's wrapped, how it's packaged, that might be the thing that the person really loves. One time I wrapped a wedding present in a kind of a anime, so it looked like an anime, so so I just made it the present, which I thought was pretty ordinary. made it impressive, so much so that the wedding photographer took photos of my present wrapping. Not so much who cares about the present inside, the wrapping looks good. Another way to be a little bit more creative and inventive is like maybe thinking of categories. So for example, the 5 senses, you know, buying not just one present, but maybe 5 smaller presents, but one for each sense. So like something they can see, something they can smell, something they can taste, something they can hear, something they can touch. Just be creative and go like a bit different, and that might also be something that they will really enjoy, just your creativity, your thoughtfulness. All right, good luck with present buying. Hope it goes well. I'll link some of the products that I've talked about in the description box, and hopefully it will help you buy presents. Okay, bye. Instead of buying one present, go for 5 presents and using categories, for example. So, for example, you might be like, oh, I'm going to buy 5 different presents, one for each sense. So something that they can see, something they can touch, something they can smell, something they can taste, something that they can... I don't ever remember what the 5th sense is. Oh. Nah, I got nothing. Okay, I figured it out. It was hearing. I miss hearing. Let me try that again.